Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Live Flow Grow. My name is Christina and welcome back to my morning stretches. This is day 2. Day 2, we're gonna stretch the trunk and the side body. Okay, so we're gonna begin in seated position. Tuck all 10 toes under and sit back on your heels. Close your eyes. We're gonna take a couple of breaths just to ground down. Feel the stretch in the sole of the foot. I want you to take that time and really dedicate it for yourself. You'll have 15 minutes ready to drop in on your mat. Nothing to think about, nothing to worry about. This is your time for yourself. Slowly bring the hands down, untuck your toes, and reach the arms up and let them fall back. We're gonna warm up the shoulders, making big circles with the hands, and back and forth. Bring the hands down, bend the elbows at 90-degree angle. Cactus arms or goalpost arms. So open through the collarbones. On an inhalation, send the heart up, elbows back, bring your shoulder blades kind of like to touch. Squeeze the shoulder blades as you open through the collarbones. Take a deep breath here. Exhale, one more time, and exhale. Last one. And with your exhale, round the back, bring your elbows to touch. Take a deep breath here. Breathe into the stretch between your shoulder blades. Exhale, one more time. Exhale. Take a deep breath. And exhale, come back through center, open the elbows out to the side. Inhale, open, send the heart up. And exhale, round through the back, bring the elbows to touch. One more time, inhale, open. And exhale, round. Last one, inhale, open, and exhale, round. Come back through center. Stay in seated position. Place your left hand down. Reach the right arm up and over the head. Ground down through your right sitting bone as you reach past your right fingertips. See if you can go a little bit deeper into the stretch. Keep breathing through your right side body as you keep lengthening through the fingertips. See if you can walk your left hand away from you. Maybe bend the left elbow, but keep your sitting bones on your heels. Keep stretching, keep expanding through the right rib cage, through the right side of the waist. Last breath here. Come back through center. Right hand down, left arm up and over the head. ground down through your left sitting bones as you reach past your left fingertips. Stay here or walk your right hand away from you, going a little bit deeper into your side body stretch. Last breath here. Come back through center. Left hand down, right arm up. Turn your chest down. And now turn the chest up. One more time, bring the chest down. Turn the chest up towards the sky. Last one. And turn the chest up. Open, heart up, open, shine the collarbones up towards the ceiling. Reach your fingertips up and away from you. Come back through center, right hand down, left hand up and over the head. Turn your chest down and open the heart up. Turn the ribcage down. Turn your ribcage up. Last one. Turn it up. Reach past your left fingertips as you open through your collarbones. Come back through center. Come up on your knees. Extend the right leg out to the side. Left hand down, right arm up and over the head. Open the chest up. Or turn the chest down and lift through the middle, stretching past your right fingertips, opening, expanding through your right side body. Come back down. Come back up on your knees. Extend the left leg out to the side. Right hand down, left arm up and over the head. Lift up from the middle. Pull your belly in as you grow tall through the side body. Come back through center. Extend the right leg out to the side. Left hand on your left hip. Right arm up and over the head. Lean over your left. Pull your belly in. Come back through center. Bring the right knee down. Extend the left leg out to the side. Right hand on the right hip. Left arm up and over the head. Lean over to your right. Come back through center, left knee down, sit down on your heels. Bring the hands down in tabletop. Make sure your shoulders are right on top of your wrists. Your hips are right on top of your knees. Tabletop position. Cat-cow stretch. Inhale, drop the belly down. Send the heart forward, sit bones up, head up. Exhale, round the back, push the floor away from you. Tuck the tailbone, let the head drop, the neck is long. One more time, dropping the belly down. Sit bones up, heart forward, look up. And exhale, round through the spine. pull your belly in as you push the floor away from you. Last one. And round. Find neutral spine. Right hand in the middle, right underneath your face. Left arm up. And bring it down. One more time, lift it up. Turn the chest towards your left and bring it down. Last one, lift it up. Thread the needle, left hand behind the right wrist. Left shoulder down. Walk your right hand up and towards the left corner of the mat. Come on your fingertips as you open the chest up. One more breath here. Slowly press yourself up. Find your tabletop. Round of cat-cow. Inhale, drop the belly down. And exhale, round the back. Find neutral spine. Left hand in the middle. Right arm up and over the head. And bring it down. One more time, lift up, open the chest to the right. Bring it down. Last one, lift up. And thread the needle. Right hand behind the left wrist. Right shoulder down on the mat. Extend your left hand up towards the right corner of your mat. Stay on your fingertips as you open the chest up towards the sky. And one more breath here. Walk your left hand back, press yourself up. Sit down on your hips, open your knees wide enough for your ribcage to fit in between and fold forward. Child's pose, wide knees, child's pose. Bring your hands underneath the forehead and rest your forehead on your hands. Make sure your neck is long. You can place the forehead down on the mat if that's more comfortable for you. Two more breaths here. Slowly press yourself up. Bring the knees to touch. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you liked that tutorial. Let me know in the comments below. Hit the like button and the subscribe button to my channel for more videos like that.